Percy the Woodpecker. Once upon a time, in a forest filled with tall trees, lived a lively little woodpecker named Percy. Percy had a bright red head and a beak that could peck, peck, peck on the tree trunks. Every morning, Percy would wake up when the sun rises and go to find his most loved tree. He liked to look for small bugs hiding under the tree skin and make a comfy house in the holes of the trees. But Percy wasn't just a regular woodpecker. He was a playful one. He loved to tap on the trees in different rhythms and create his own little tunes. Tap, 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 tap. He would go, making the forest come alive with his cheerful beats. One sunny day, as Percy was tapping away on a tree, he heard a soft voice from below. It was Sammy the squirrel, who was watching Percy with curious eyes. Sammy said,
"Percy, your tapping sounds like a delightful song. Can I join in and dance to your beat?"
Percy was thrilled by the idea. Together, they created a woodland concert like no other. Percy tapped his beak on the tree, creating a lively rhythm, while Sammy hopped and twirled to the beat, his fluffy tail swishing in the air. The forest animals gathered around, clapping and cheering for their wonderful performance. As Percy and Sammy continued their playful performances, more and more animals joined in the fun. There was Benny the bunny, who hopped to the beat, and Freddie the fox, who swayed his tail from side to side. Even the butterflies fluttered in tune with Percy's lively rhythm. The forest became a place of joy and laughter, thanks to Percy's playful beats. The animals would gather every day, creating their own woodland orchestra, with Percy as their conductor. But Percy's tapping wasn't just for fun. It also had an important purpose. By pecking on the tree trunks, Percy helped to keep the forest healthy. His pecks created holes where other animals could make their homes, and he helped remove insects that might harm the trees. And so, Percy, the playful woodpecker, continued to tap and create music in the forest. He brought happiness to all the creatures who lived there and reminded them that even the simplest sounds and actions can bring joy and make a difference.